Today we'll be discussing about C++. Everybody's been wondering C++, how to get started. So I'm making this video for the purpose of you being at home, just feeling boring, nothing to go straight into, because you find it a little bit difficulty in understanding how the program works. But the program is a very simple program and a very simple language which needs a lot of practice. So today we'll discuss on C++. So what is C++? C++ is an object-oriented language. It's a very popular programming language. It's used today in creating operating system, graphic user interface, and then embedded system. It's a lot of fun having C++ as a language. It's close to the C and then the C and then the Java. So today we'll get started. For us to get started with C++, we need two things, which are the text editor like Notepad to write the code, and then a compiler. A text editor is just like somewhere where you can dump your codes, or you can write your code, but won't get executed unless you use a particular compiler that's meant for it. For example, a test code is just like you seeing having someone beside you, and then you are talking to the person, and then the person don't understand your language. Then what you need to know, you need to get someone that needs to interpret that language to the person you're speaking it to. So that is a compiler. So for us to get started, let's explain some syntax. We have the first one, which is #include the IOStream. This IOStream is called the header file. This header file is work with input and output object, such as the cout. We'll go back into cout later. We'll see a lot of cout. So the next one is using name space std. This namespace std simply refers to as using standard library. And then after the standard inbuilt library, we have it ignores blank spaces. For example, if you're writing a code and then you leave a bunch of blank space, it will get executed. Another one we need to consider is the int main, which is this. And then this is called a function, where this is called the return type, this is called the name of function, and then this is called the parentheses. How do you know a function? A function is always, you see the return type, and then you see the name of the function, and then you see the parentheses, and then a function are always represented in a bracket like this, in a close and open bracket. So the next one we need to know is that all C++ programs ends with a semicolon. All ends with a semicolon. So let's get started. And then the last one is return 0. It's very important. So let's get started with our program. I told you we need a text editor and then a compiler. So for compiler for Windows, we have the dev++, and then we have the code block. For Android, we have CXS Droid. You can check it on Play Store. And then for iPhone users, I can't really say because I'm not using iPhone, I'm using Android. So let me go to my dev and C++ and start by writing a program that will print my name. So let's start. This is my dev. This is how the interface looks like when you first come into it. So what do you need next? You need to go here, create a new file, create a new source project. You can create a source file or you can create a project, anyone. This, and then you can use a shortcut of Ctrl N to create a new file. So let me delete this. By deleting, use Ctrl W, which will delete it. So now let's start. Hashtag include IOStream. And I told you that IOStream simply means the declaration, the header file of this particular program you're writing. Then using namespace std, every program ends with a semicolon. Then the int main, I'm declaring a function of main. And then what did I want to do? This cout, I didn't mention cout and cin in the previous class, but cout simply means the extraction operator, and then cin means the insertion operator. Let's say enter. So I'm writing my name. My name is and then I must put my return 0. So now we said C++ ignore blank spaces. If I increase this space and then I run it, it's gonna ask me to save, then I save with my name and then I run, I get this. So now what if I didn't leave space and then I still run it again? Will I get the same thing? Will I get the same thing? Let me run. Wow, same. That means it ignores blank space. Join me on my next class for more.